Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2 trillion once again. We are up 3.8% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.1%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see, wow, once again, we are starting to see, especially in the last 24 hours, quite a bit of green across the markets right now, especially in the last 24 hours. As you guys may know, today is Monday, and as I mentioned, on the weekends, we do tend to see a lot of manipulation across the board, so I take the price action on the weekends, with a grain of salt, but, this overall green momentum has carried in this week, and that's exactly, guys, what we want to be seeing right now. And if we are looking at that bigger picture in the last 7 days, most of the altcoins are up double digits, and that's exactly what everyone in the crypto space wants to see. But again, guys, if you are an altcoin holder or a Bitcoin holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end because it is jam-packed. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we love on our channel, and that's none other than Cardano. All right, my ADA family, if we are looking at the Cardano price right now, we are currently trading at 93.5 cents. Up 6.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Cardano's current ranking in the cryptocurrency market ranks is at the top 8 spot. Market cap right now is just below that $30 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $1 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we have seen Cardano down about 21.14%, compared to the 1 year price point. But, if we are looking in the last 14 days, we are seeing Cardano up 17.2%. And one thing that we cannot forget is, if we're looking at the broader picture, guys, the prices since 2020, Cardano is up exponentially. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for Cardano. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the exciting stuff that everyone is here for, which is the Cardano price. What's happening with ADA's price and where could we be going in the immediate short term? So right off the bat, guys, the ADA community, as you can see right now, we are still hovering within the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. One thing that I want to point out for you guys right now, right off the bat, is that we have built up quite a bit of support around this, 78.6 zone. This zone has played out, especially at that 78 cents price mark, played out as a major level of support for the price of Cardano. We never saw the price of Cardano go below this, even in the downward trend that we have seen over the past 3 to 4 months. We have seen the price settle around here, and this has been a major level of support around the 78 cents mark. But one thing that is coming up right now is this level of resistance, which is set at the $1.05 mark, guys. And this price point is a major level of support for the price of Cardano, which right now is playing as a level of resistance. Because if you guys go way back, I can pinpoint so many times this level played out as a level of support for the price of Cardano. I can literally show you a couple times here, back here, and you guys can see so many times this has played out as a level of support for us, and it is playing as a major level of resistance for us right now. So right now the price is still at the 94.5 cents mark. We are seeing BTC, breaking out, guys. Bitcoin is having a green candle forming once again. I have been mentioning to you guys that Bitcoin is looking like it's in an upwards trend. Without a doubt, we have been creating higher lows over the past couple months. And, if we are to break out of this zone, guys, on the Crypto ZX channel, we are talking about this zone since literally for the longest time, I can remember that we're talking about this specific price point, guys. If Bitcoin is able to break above that $46,331 mark, this is where I am getting excited. Until then, we're definitely still not out of the woods just yet, because this would mean that it's the first time ever since the beginning of 2022 that we have seen the price of Bitcoin above this zone. And, this is where I could even feel that we can start discussing whether or not we have seen the bottom or not. So, very, very important times ahead, especially in the next 24 to 48 hours, could be very, very crucial for the price of Bitcoin. If we do see a rejection at this price point, guys, then, we could be having a total different conversation. But right now, as we speak, as of recording this video, we are seeing Cardano react to the overall cryptocurrency market momentum, going, on the upwards trend that we are seeing right now, following Bitcoin, which is obviously following in Cardano as well, along with other altcoins. If you picked up some Cardano around the 77 to 78 cents price point, you're already up 20%, guys. 20%. Obviously, you may be coming up to me and saying, oh, that's not quite a bit, but again, guys, profit is profit. It is a one step at a time game. You're not going to be driving a Lamborghini at the end of the day or tomorrow. If someone came up to you and said, hey, you will be driving a Lamborghini once you invest in Cardano, but I'm sorry to tell you, it is, a step-by-step process, and you always want to be doing your own due diligence and research when you're investing in these cryptocurrency markets. And I'm not giving no financial advice. This is just all my personal opinion. So you never want to be throwing your life savings into crypto. Always invest so you can afford to lose. But once you have done your due diligence and research and really picked strong projects with big fundamentals, working products, utility, those are the projects that do succeed in the long haul. And without a doubt, in my personal opinion, Cardano is, a future of cryptocurrency markets. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell what is going to happen. But right now, guys, you guys need to keep your eyes out around this price point, which is that $1.05 mark. I want the price of Cardano to be above this price at all costs, and try to, keep this overall upwards momentum and get back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. That would mean that would be the first time since, again, January 20th that we have been around that zone. But again, one step at a time. Right now, I do need the price of Cardano to be above this $1.06 mark. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about 11 to 12% for us to break out of that zone. So that's our first step that we need to be looking at. And once, the momentum picks up, guys, then things can really start heating up. So all eyes on Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin is able to get past that level, guys, do expect a massive breakout, along with a lot of altcoins going up with the overall cryptocurrency market momentum. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is 43% still. So altcoin season is still a little questionable. BTC dominance is still quite high. But one thing to keep in mind if you are a Cardano holder, guys, let's not forget Cardano has almost 71.8% of its circulation supply, which is literally being staked right now. As you guys know, Cardano is a proof of stake consensus. So you could stake your Cardano tokens, especially if you want to be earning passive income. Let's say you believe Cardano is going to be way, way higher in the next, 5 years, 3 to 5 years, and you don't really care about the short-term gains here and there. Those are the people that are staking Cardano right now. And the reason as to why I'm telling you guys this is for two reasons. One reason is that if you are one of those people that believe that Cardano is going to be way bigger in the next coming years, and you don't really care about the price action right now, then you want to be staking your Cardano as we speak and earning passive income and compounding your gains as time goes by. But also, one thing that I want to educate you guys is that 71.8% circulation supply being staked means that literally, guys, almost 28% of the circulation supply, the coins that are in existence for Cardano, are only available to be purchased on centralized exchanges. that is extremely bullish, because as I have mentioned on my channel before, basic economic rules, supply and demand, once that comes in, once the market momentum heats up once again, we do see a major level of demand come in. But guess what? The supply is very short. Not the entire amount of coins in existence are available to be purchased, because literally 71, almost 72% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. These are the coins that rebound way quicker, guys, when the time comes, when the heat starts forming. These are the coins that, jump way higher, way faster compared to other altcoins. So, that is something that we need to keep in mind. So, when the momentum does shift, I could see Cardano, going up very fast compared to other altcoins. But that is it for today's update, guys. Like I said, one step at a time. My target right now is around that $1.05 mark, and then we could be starting to take our journey back into the 61.8 slowly but surely. But we need to monitor the price of Bitcoin very closely. But with that being said, guys, this is it for today's update. If you guys enjoyed this video, guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world for me. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying these videos and what other coins you want me to cover. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and